Society's 129th All India Annual Art Exhibition 2021 online. Considering the COVID pandemic situation, we are doing this inauguration online, which will be available on social media channels, especially our Facebook Live and Insta Live. Today we have with us our chief guest, His Excellency, the Governor of Maharashtra, Shri Bhagat Singh Koshyari sir, for this online inauguration of Bombay Art Society's 129th All India Annual Art Exhibition. Other dignitaries present for this inauguration include our beloved President, Shri Rajendra Patil, our Chairman, Professor Anil Naik, our Secretary, Honorable Shri Chandrajit Yadav, Vice President, Shrimati Minali Thakkar, Treasurer, Professor Surendra Jagtap, Joint Secretary, Shri Ajinkya Solkar, and Committee Member, Madhuri Khanna. Now I invite the President of Bombay Art Society, Shri Rajendra Patil, for his introductory speech. Shri Rajendra Patil.
Very warm good morning to all the artists, art enthusiasts, art writers, art patrons, and dignitaries present here on the occasion of the Bombay Art Society's 129th All India Art Exhibition, which we are presenting online. Considering COVID pandemic, we are here today after following all the rules and regulations, standard SOPs laid down for the pandemic. Though we are not using the masks, but here the temperature checking and using the sanitizers, we are taking care. The Bombay Art Society's 129th All India Art Exhibition, presenting the physical exhibition and doing it online, there are a whole lot of pros and cons. Every year we used to do first round of online submission of entries, and for the second round of jury selection, we used to invite artworks from all the selected artists. But this year, considering the pandemic and difficult situation, it was almost Herculean task to ask all the artists to travel from different parts of the country and send their artworks here. So the only way to continue this 132 years old tradition, when Bombay Art Society was founded in 1888, there was not a single art gallery in the country. There were no art magazines like today we have so many art magazines. There were no big art institutions as such like today which are functioning in a big way like Lyrical Academy and other institutions. So the exhibition started at such a time when there were no institutions, the tradition has to continue. So we found this way to present the exhibition online and invited entries from all over India. Rather, this year, because of online nature of the exhibition, the entries are received from even Indian artists residing in overseas countries. And this year, we received a record number of entries. Almost 3,600 artworks are received in different categories like painting, graphics, sculpture, photography, in professional as well as students category. This year we had again the one major issue of selection and judges panel, jury, because of COVID pandemic it was very difficult to invite judges normally, which include senior artists and art writers, art historians, to invite from different parts of the country. So we had this year the in-house judges panel to select 500 artworks which are selected from 3,600, and some 50 artworks are presented awards, including the most coveted award, the Governor's Award, the Bombay Art Society Gold Medal, Silver Medals, the 6 awards by Lyrical Academy, and many others awards. Total, there are 32 awards in the professional category, which will be announced today during the later part of the function. And there are 18 awards presented to our art students. We need to keep art students inspired and in high spirit during such a time. So it was tradition of the Bombay Art Society annual art show to invite entries from the art students also from various art colleges in the country. As I said, inviting jury members, judges panel from different parts of the country was difficult. This year we had judges panel, in-house panel, which you can say. We have the jury members from Bombay Art Society, Professor Anil Naik, who is the chairman of the Bombay Art Society and former head of painting department, Sir J.J. School of Art, who is known for his decades of artistic finesse. The other jury member include Professor Surendra Jagtap, who is the principal of JK Academy of Art and Design. The other jury member who helped us to judge the artworks from such a huge number of 3,600 artworks to 500 shortlisted artworks was our Honorable Secretary Sri Chandrajit Yadav, a well-known sculptor whose sculptures are installed, rather monumental sculptures are installed all over the country. The other jury members included our Joint Secretary Ajinkya Cholkar, who is also a renowned sculptor, and his sculptures are also installed at put up at many places in India. And the next jury member, the final jury member, Vikrant Manjrekar. Vikrant is also a well-known sculptor, and all of these jury members have one common theme. At some point of time or other, they all studied at Sir J.J. School of Art. We should be thankful to the jury members for the selection of 500 artworks from 3,600 artworks, which took almost 4 days of continuous judging in such a difficult time. So, thank you all of you. We are doing this online inauguration with a small function here in Bombay Art Society's Art Complex at Bandra Reclamation. As I said, this art complex was built up on the land given by the government of Maharashtra. Considering the human services of Bombay Art Society, the piece of land here was given to the Bombay Art Society, and such a beautiful complex with 3 art galleries, auditorium, art books library is available here in this art complex, where artists can come and participate. Almost we had regular shows here before the pandemic started, and even last month when pandemic was coming in control, we had a couple of exhibitions, and again maybe we are waiting. Then again we will start the exhibitions by the artists who have booked the galleries here. Bombay Art Society's annual art exhibition has remained one of the mega event in the country since the time it started. Okay, since the time it started, there were no art galleries, there were no art magazines, there were no art institutions, and that's okay. But today also, irrespective of having many art galleries, many art magazines, many art institutions, this exhibition, Bombay Art Society's annual art exhibition, has maintained its status of a mega event, which attracts almost 3,600 artworks from all over the country, from overseas countries also. We society has seen many ups and downs, but has never stayed away from the path of promoting art and artists in a big way. This annual art exhibition has become the source of inspiration for hundreds of artists today, which has shaped the artistic journey of these artists in their formative years. If you see some examples from the beginning, if you see J.P. Ganguly, Ravi Shankar Rawal, Hemendra Majumdar, Irindad, A.K. Hebbar, S.S. Raja, K.H. Arak, Mohan Samant, Jatin Das, N.S. Bendre, and even Prabhakar Kolkar sir. All these artists who are today international names, big names, have received the awards of the Bombay Art Society in their formative years. So this exhibition has maintained its importance of art promotion even during this time. This year the kind of entries which we received 3,600. 20th February was the last date. Even after last date of 20th February, we received entries for next 4-5 days. And considering this pandemic, we consider all the entries even after received after deadline till the jury was jury selection was done. Even after receiving all these entries, we got almost 500 to 600 emails from different artists, WhatsApp messages, Facebook messages, messages on Instagram that we missed the opportunity, and can we be the part of this annual art exhibition of the Bombay Art Society. But as jury process was completed, we could not accommodate any more requests. Further, however, some of the artists suggested that this exhibition comes once in a year only, and we get opportunity to present our artworks on such a prestigious and historical platform only once in a year. So this year we have decided that the corona pandemic is stretching more than what we expected initially. So there is no way for the artists to present their artworks, showcase their artworks in the metro cities and different art galleries. So this year, the committee of Bombay Art Society has decided that we will present this annual art exhibition during monsoon as well, somewhere around the month of August for next 2 months. And for our monsoon show, similar awards will be announced in the next 2-3 months, and maybe we will invite entries for those exhibitions from the artists who feel that they missed the bogey. So we are coming up with one more exhibition, online exhibition, purely due to the request from the large number of artists and art community. Considering the COVID pandemic, we are putting this exhibition online, and we are sure that the exhibition will reach to the targeted audience which visit Bombay Art Society's exhibition every year in the Jahangir Art Gallery. Today we have a chief guest, His Excellency the Governor of Maharashtra, Sri Bhagat Singh Koshyari sir, for this online exhibition. Here is the address of His Excellency Governor of Maharashtra, Sri Bhagat Singh Koshyari sir. Thank you very much.
बॉम्बे आर्ट सोसाइटी 1889 में स्थापित हुई थी, और ये एक प्रकार से एशिया की नहीं दुनिया की एक बहुत बड़ी और कला, चित्रकला, मूर्तिकला इस संबंध में एक बहुत बड़ी संस्था रही है। और पिछले लगभग 130-32 वर्षों में ये बॉम्बे आर्ट सोसाइटी के द्वारा अनेक कार्यक्रम किए गए हैं, अनेक प्रदर्शनी की गई है, अनेक प्रतियोगिताएं की गई हैं। और मुझे पता लगा कि इस प्रतियोगिताओं में बहुत सारे देश और दुनिया के चित्रकार, मूर्तिकार, ऐसे लोग, स्कल्पटर्स और पेंटर्स सभी भाग लेते हैं। और पिछली बार ये पैंडमिक के कारण अनेक कठिनाइयाँ बीच में आई, कठिनाइयाँ इस सोसाइटी को भी भोगनी पड़ी, लेकिन इनका जो उत्साह है कला के प्रति और पेंटिंग के प्रति, इनका जो उत्साह है, सोसाइटी का जो एक इतिहास रहा है, उसको जीवित रखते हुए ये इसका ऑनलाइन प्रस्तुत भी करने जा रही है। और मुझे पता लगा है कि इसमें कम से कम 550 ये जो चित्रकलाएँ हैं या बस भागीदार हैं, उनका चयन किया गया है। एक बड़ी संख्या में से इतने सीमित संघों का, सदस्यों का, सीमित इनके कलाकारों का इसमें चयन किया गया है। निश्चित रूप से ये अपनी शानदार परंपरा को, ऐतिहासिक परंपरा को हमारी सोसाइटी जारी रखेगी, और उसके माध्यम से हमारे कलाकार, हमारे चित्रकार, हमारे स्कल्पटर्स ये सब के सब और सम्मान प्राप्त करेंगे। मैं इस सोसाइटी के कार्यक्रम के लिए, अपनी सफलता के लिए अपनी शुभकामनाएं प्रस्तुत करता हूँ।
This year, total 32 awards in various categories are presented to professional artists, whereas 18 goes to the students. This is to keep our art students in various art colleges in high spirit. All the awards carry cash prizes and certificates. This year, the certificate soft copy will be emailed to the participants, and the physical copy will be sent to them via courier on a later date along with the check. Now we are moving to the most awaited part of the inauguration, that is declaration of awards.
This year's highest honor, His Excellency the Governor of Maharashtra Award and Gold Medal, carrying 50,000 rupees cash prize and gold medal goes to Chandan Bandari for his sculpture The Bridge done in stone and metal. The next is Lalit Kala Akademi Jury's Choice Award, carrying cash money of 20,000 rupees goes to Sandeep Bhule for his painting Childhood Memories done in acrylic on canvas. Late Prafulla Dahanukar Award, sponsored by sculptor Shri Chandrajit Yadav, carrying cash prize of 15,000 rupees goes to Vijay Dore for his painting titled City Light done in acrylic on canvas. Lalit Kala Akademi Award for Best Painting, with cash money of 20,000 rupees goes to Bapu Babiskar for his untitled painting in acrylic on canvas. The next award is late Shri Gunavant Hanumant Nagarkar Award for Best Painting, with cash prize of 21,000 rupees is presented to Kaushik Gupta for his painting titled Down the Memory Lane done in mixed media on canvas. Lalit Kala Akademi Award for Best Sculpture, which carries 20,000 rupees cash award goes to Kanchan Karji for sculpture, the black figure done in mixed media of wood, graphite and glass. Next is Padma Bhushan Shri Ram Sutar Award for Best Sculpture, carrying cash money of 15,000 rupees goes to Sonali Pallab for her sculpture titled The Shepherd done in fiber. Lalit Kala Akademi Award with cash prize of 20,000 rupees for Best Portrait Painting goes to Rashikesh Bhandare for his painting Flourished Soul in Oil on Canvas. The next is Chaganlal B. Patel Award, with cash money of 10,000 rupees for Best Painting, goes to Ajit Kumar Mahato for his painting titled Artist in City, done in watercolor on paper. The second most coveted award, the Bombay Art Society Award and Silver Medal, with cash amount of 15,000 rupees for Best Sculpture, goes to Chitranjan Mohrana for his sculpture titled Propagate Beauty in Black Marble. The next is India Art Festival Award, carrying cash money of 10,000 rupees for Best Sculpture goes to Krishnendu Roy for his sculpture titled The King, done in bronze. The Bombay Art Society Award and Bronze Medal, with cash amount of 10,000 rupees for graphic goes to Rabi Gupta for the graphic work titled Temptation of Devil done in etching. The next is late Chitrakar S.M. Pandit Award, with the cash money of 11,000 rupees. Sponsored by sculptor Shri Sharad Kapushkar for Best Landscape, is presented to Vishal Chavahan for his painting titled Mystery of India, done in watercolor on paper. The next award, Chitrakar Late Harish Raut Award, with cash money of 10,000 rupees for Best Drawing, goes to Ruchi Arora for her drawing titled Mara, done in charcoal on arches paper. Late Jayanti Jevant Memorial Award carrying cash money of 10,000 rupees for outstanding exhibit goes to Shrikant for his sculpture Family Conversation, done in bronze. The next award is for photography. Art Approach Award with cash money of 7,500 rupees for Best Photography goes to Nitin Salunkhe for his photographic work titled Degradation. Late Manohar Gangan Award, sponsored by Madhvi Gangan, carrying cash prize of 7,500 rupees for photography goes to Maitreyi More for her photographic work Nua. Rajshri Birla Foundation Award for Indian Style Painting goes to Milna Saji for her drawing Shakti, done in pen on paper. The Bombay Art Society Award for painting goes to Sheetal Mahatre for her painting Lockdown, done in watercolor on paper. The next award, Shri Bhim B. Purohit Memorial Award by Adarsh Hotel, goes to Anas Sultan for his drawing titled Reincarnation, done in charcoal on paper. Painternet.com Award goes to Ravindra Pawar for his painting titled Pond in the Night, done in acrylic on canvas. Late Guru artist Dr. Om Prakash Bhatnagar Award for Painting, sponsored by Dr. Madhuri Kathe, goes to Kusumlata Sharma for her painting Threads of Light, done in acrylic and soft pastel on paper. This year's Shri Uttam Pacharne Award for Best Sculpture goes to Rohan Pawar for his sculpture Hide and Seek executed in brass. The next award is Artist Sugo Subhash Gondhale Award for Best Watercolor Landscape. Goes to Devanand Ramteke for his painting Bullock Cart done in watercolor on paper. Next award is Raja Ravi Verma Award for Best Portrait Painting. Goes to Bablu Bhomi for his untitled painting in oil on canvas. Late Ranga Phadke Award for Best Portrait Painting, sponsored by Shri Milind Phadke, is presented to Nihar Sutar for his painting titled Baba, done in oil on canvas. B.A. Mali Award for Best Portrait goes to Nili Shaft for her painting Ahire Kaka, done in oil on canvas. The next is Messrs Hindustan Pencils Limited Award for charcoal on paper work. Goes to Akhil Mohan for his drawing Coconut Husk. Karmayog.com Award for Best Painting on a Social Cause goes to Kishore Nakhadiwala for his painting Lock and Lock 10 done in watercolor on paper. Late Manohar Gangan Award, sponsored by Gauri Gangan, carrying cash prize of 5,000 rupees. For photography goes to Praveen Deshmukh for his photographic work titled Portrait No. 2. India Art Festival, Jury's Choice Award, goes to Rakesh Bani for the work in graphic titled Metamorphosis. Late Krishnarao Ketkar Award for landscape painting goes to Madhuri Patankar. Now is the time to announce the awards in students category. The highest honor, in students category, the Bombay Art Society Award, carrying cash prize of 15,000 rupees. For best entry, goes to Nehul Chhari, for the painting titled Light Study, done in oil on panel. In the students category, the next is late Gopal Adivirekar Award, carrying 12,000 rupees cash prize for best painting. Goes to Satyam Singh for his painting titled Red Carpet done in oil on canvas. The next award in students category is Lalit Kala Akademi Award, carrying 10,000 rupees cash money for best painting. Goes to Dhanashri Liman for her painting The Bakara done in watercolor on paper. In students category, the second award by Lalit Kala Akademi is with award money of 10,000 rupees. For best entry in any category, is presented to Pradeep Kumar for his sculpture Virgo done in black and white marble. Padma Bhushan Shri Ram Sutar Award for best academic work in sculpture, carrying cash prize of 10,000 rupees. Goes to Srinath Kumbhar for his sculpture Girish done in fiber. The next award in students category is late Professor Muralidhar Nangare Award, with cash prize of 10,000 rupees. Goes to Prasad Mestri for his painting titled Goddess Hime in watercolor on paper. Shri Hari Sadhu Bhambhani Award for best painting goes to Vardhaman Kadrapur for the painting titled COVID-19, done in acrylic on canvas. Late Mahendrabhai Karia Award, sponsored by Darshana and Panthini Karia, goes to Amol Tambe for his painting Amma, done in watercolor on paper. The next is Kumar Vidyanand Vishwanath Kamath Memorial Award. It goes to Kritika Maji for graphic work titled Beautifying Myself, done in linocut. Late Padma Shri Dr. Vishnu S. Vakankar Award, sponsored by Dr. Madhuri Kathe, goes to Kishore Taide for his sculpture titled Wandering with Lockdown, done in fiber. Late Vishan D. Bhambhani Award, sponsored by Shri Inder Bhambhani for best sculpture, goes to art student Ravi Verma for his sculpture titled Waiting for Walk, done in wood. Narayan Dharmdas Bhambhani Award for female artist goes to Riya Chandwani for her drawing Self-Expression, done in charcoal on paper. Late Guruvarya Baburao Jagtap Memorial Award for watercolor painting goes to Ajit Raut for his work titled Tamboli Pan Bhandar. Art Approach Award for Best Photography goes to Abhishek Tikhe for his photographic work titled Disposition. Late Govindrav Nikam Award by Sahyadri School of Art for Best Sculpture goes to Suraj Kumbhar for his sculpture titled Population Touch for Land done in fiberglass. Late Gopal Krishna Memorial Trust and Shri Pranlal Bhogilal Fund Award goes to Nisha Dinwa for her graphic work in etching titled Golden Dragonfly. In Students category, Shri Uttam Pacharne Award for Sculpture goes to MP Dinkar for his sculpture done in black marble titled Existence of Energy. Late Govindrav Nikam Award by Sahyadri School of Art for Best Artwork goes to Jyotsna Mandapaka for the graphic work in woodcut titled The Perfect Cow. This complete the awards in Students category as well. Big congratulations to all the award winning artists, and heartily congratulations to all the artists in Professional and Students category for submitting such a stunning and insightful entries. Whether selected or not, that does not matter. Please give them big round of loud applause for staying true, saying, no matter what comes, the show must go on. Thank you once again for such grand performance in the biggest art exhibition in the country. Now over to the Bombay Art Society's Secretary, Shri Chandrajit Yadav for vote of thanks.
बॉम्बे आर्ट सोसायटी आणि तिचे वार्षिक प्रदर्शन हा एक विषय दरवर्षी देशभर चर्चेत असतो. जानेवारी आणि फेब्रुवारी या 2 महिन्यामध्ये आम्ही आत्तापर्यंत सातत्याने हे करत आहोत एक्झिबिशन्स. आणि गेली वर्षभर जगभर कोविड-19चा जो असर झाला त्यामुळे सर्व चित्रकार, शिल्पकार, कलाकार मंडळी ज्यांच्या हातावर पोट आहे असे छोटे छोटे सुद्धा कलाकार सगळे सफर झाले या सगळ्या एकूण रोगाच्या महामारीमध्ये. नुसतं भारतच नाही तर अख्खं जग यात सफर झालं. त्यानंतर आम्ही हा विचार केला की खरोखर काही कलाकार लोकांनी आपले कामधंदा सोडून रस्त्याच्या कामावर जाणे किंवा अजून कुठली पडेल ती एक अहमदनगरचा तर एक कलाकार नारळ्या झाडावर चढून झावळ्या काढून त्याचे झाडू बनवून विकू लागला. अशी परिस्थिती निर्माण झाल्यानंतर आम्ही मध्यंतरी बॉम्बे सोसायटीला या कलाकारांना जगता आलं पाहिजे आहे म्हणून आम्ही एक फंड गोळा करून तो निडी लोकांना आम्ही दिला. त्यासाठी आम्ही एक पॅनल पण बनवलं होतं आणि त्यांनी सजेस्ट केलेल्या लोकांना आम्ही पूर्ण फुलाची पाकळी म्हणून त्यांच्या कुटुंबाला आपला एक बॉम्बे सोसायटीचा हातभार लागावा अशी इच्छा मनात ठेवून ती घटना आम्ही पार पाडली. त्याच्यानंतर एक्झिबिशनकडे कोविडचा हा रोग संपतच नाही तर काय करायचं. तर मग असा एक प्रवास सुरू झाला की आपण ऑनलाईन एक्झिबिशन का नाही करायचं की जे लोकांना मदत करता येईल की त्यातून आपण पुरस्कार देऊ, पुरस्काराचे पैसे काय कलावंतांना मिळतील किंवा काही लोकांना की आम्हाला त्यांचे चित्र विकून देता येतील असा एक थोडासा प्रवास झाला. आणि ठरवलं की नाही बॉम्बे सोसायटीचे सर्व सभासदांनी असं ठरवलं की आम्ही ऑनलाईन प्रदर्शन भरवतोय आणि त्यानुसार ऑनलाईन आम्ही त्याच्या ॲडव्हर्टाईज केल्या, फेसबुकवर केल्या, इंस्टाग्रामवर केल्या, यूट्यूबवर केल्या काही लोकांनी. तर ते अशा गोष्टी जेव्हा सातत्यानं सगळ्या देशभर पसरली किंवा बॉम्बे सोसायटी एक्झिबिशन करते न भूतो न भविष्यती 3600 एंट्री आल्या. आणि त्या एंट्री मधून मग एक पॅनल आता करायचे, बाहेरचे जजेस बोलवायचे कसे. कोविड-19चा हा प्रश्न होता. इन हाऊस म्हणलं आपण सगळे कलाकार मंडळी आहोतच, सगळे स्कॉलर आहेत, लोकांना ज्ञानदानाचं काम करणारे शिक्षक सुद्धा आमच्या टीममध्ये आहेत. तर आम्हीच इन हाऊस करायचं असं ठरवलं आणि त्यानुसार ऑनलाईन करतोय म्हणल्यानंतर जहांगीर गॅलरीत एक लिमिटेशन असायचं, आम्हाला 300च कलाकृती सिलेक्ट करता यायच्या. पण यावेळेस आम्ही जवळजवळ 500-550 एंट्री सिलेक्ट केलेल्या आहेत आणि योग्यतेप्रमाणे त्या मंडळींना अवॉर्ड्स वगैरे दिलेले आहेत आणि अवॉर्ड असे त्यांना आम्ही घरपोच करू हा एक विषय तितकाच महत्त्वाचा आहे. आणि एकूण ह्या सगळ्या प्रदर्शनासंदर्भात जो काही एक लोकांचा भ्रमनिराश होणार होता तो आम्ही वाचवलेला आहे आणि हे एक्झिबिशन आम्ही करतो प्रत्यक्षात. आणि त्यासाठी बॉम्बे सोसायटीचा आमचा स्टाफ की जो स्टाफ बॉम्बे सोसायटी त्यांना पूर्ण पगारही देऊ शकत नव्हती, परंतु आमच्या कमिटीने ठरवलं नाही त्यांना काहीतरी द्यायचं, म्हणजे 50% तरी देऊया अशा बेतावर आम्ही त्यांना दिला. आणि त्यांनी सुद्धा ह्या ऑनलाईन एक्झिबिशन संदर्भात दिवसरात्र मेहनत केली. बॉम्बे सोसायटीत जवळजवळ फुल डे लोक इथं, माझे स्टाफ सगळे इथं रात्रभर बसून काम केलेलं आहे त्यांनी. आणि आज एक्झिबिशनचा हा आमचा उद्घाटनाचा कार्यक्रम आहे. त्यामुळे त्या सगळ्या कलाकारांचा आम्ही लोकांच्या बरोबर त्यांनी ज्यांनी एंट्री दिल्या त्या सर्वांच्या बरोबर माझ्या बॉम्बे सोसायटी स्टाफचं कमिटी मेंबर त्या सगळ्यांचेच आभार आहे. ज्या ज्या आर्टिस्ट लोकांना अवॉर्ड्स मिळालेले आहेत त्या अवॉर्ड्स विनर्सना मी आमच्या कला जगतातर्फे किंवा बॉम्बे सोसायटीतर्फे सर्वांचं खूप खूप धन्यवाद, आभार तुमचं अभिनंदन. आणि अशा ह्या महामारीच्या प्रसंगी महामहिम आमचे राज्यपाल कोश्यारी साहेब यांनी वेळात वेळ काढून तिने स्वतःचे अनमोल शब्द आमच्या सोसायटीच्या उद्घाटनाच्या कार्यक्रमानिमित्त पाठवले, त्याबद्दल त्यांचेही धन्यवाद. त्याचसोबत ज्याने या कार्यक्रमासाठी किंवा ह्या सोहळ्यासाठी अवॉर्ड मनी म्हणून जो आपले स्वतःचे योगदानाचे पैसे दिलेले आहेत त्या सर्वांचेही आम्ही सोसायटीतर्फे धन्यवाद देतो. आणि उत्तरोत्तर कोणतीही समस्या जरी उद्भवली तरी बॉम्बे सोसायटी कलाकारांच्या हितासाठी सातत्याने झटते, एवढं तुम्हाला आम्ही सोसायटीतर्फे आश्वासन देतो. धन्यवाद. जय महाराष्ट्र.